Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com, and it's that day of the week again. It's Dyno Day. No doubt about it, it's my favorite day of the week and probably y'all's favorite day of the week as well. So let's get right into things. A few months ago at the time of this video, if y'all remember, we dynoed a 2021 Ford Bronco with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. Well, in that video I said we're gonna do our best to acquire a 2.7 liter V6 twin turbo Ford Bronco, and guess what? We got one. Our friends over at Berg Colgin were kind enough to say, hey, check it out, we've got another Bronco if y'all wanna dyno it. Of course, why not? We said, heck yeah, give us the keys. You know, we're gonna do our thing. So big thanks to those guys, you know, again, for letting us borrow one of their vehicles. If you're in the Waco area, if you're in Texas, and even if you're not in Texas, consider those guys and give them an opportunity to get you in a brand new Ford vehicle or even a used vehicle for that matter. This particular Bronco here, like I said, 2.7 liter V6. That engine was rated at, well, the revised ratings with Ford changed from the initial release of the Bronco, 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel with premium fuel or 93 octane. This is a Badlands series with the Sasquatch package, and personally, if I was to go buy a brand new Bronco, this is very close, if not the Bronco that I would go and buy. This thing is super sweet, and the inside or the interior is a really, really nice place to be. As far as the paint goes, this is Ford's anti-matter blue metallic. Here in the building or in the shade or no light, it almost looks dark navy blue, purple, and even black. But as soon as you get this in really bright light or you get it out in the sun, it turns blue, and there is a ton of metallic flake. Really, really good looking color. Ford did an outstanding job with that paint. So the Sasquatch package, we're not gonna go down the rabbit hole of all the details. Go to Ford's website, they got all the breakdowns of the series and the packages. So we're just gonna talk about the stuff with the Sasquatch package that pertains to the dyno, which is a 470 rear gear and a massive 315/70 17 tire. The 2.7 V6, you can only get the 10R60 transmission. That is a 10-speed. I know in the other dyno video I said 10R80. This is a 10-speed 10R80. You guys let me have it. So honest mistake, I'm human. Talking with the Mustang F-150 stuff all the time. 10R80 just rolled off the tongue. So 10R60 transmission in the Bronco. That is a 10-speed transmission, so our pull's gonna be made in 7th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, and just gonna go ahead and clear the air. This being obviously a brand new Ford vehicle with a Ford calibration, that's gonna hit the speed limiter, or what we like to call around here the governor. Okay, it's probably gonna stop us around 95 miles an hour. Really, the only drawback to this one, it's got 87 octane fuel in the tank. That's okay. It is what it is. We didn't have an opportunity to fill this one up like we did the other one, so we're just gonna roll with the punches and, you know, make a pull with 87 octane. So enough of me yapping. I'll sit here and talk all day. We're gonna make a quick trip around the Bronco, make sure our straps are tight, lugs are torqued. Y'all know the drill, and we're gonna make it hit. All right, people, let's take a look at some numbers. Now, considering the 87 octane fuel, the 2.7 liter V6 Bronco, I mean, it still did, it held its own. So we take a look at some numbers, 259 horsepower at 4,200 RPM and 364 pound-feet of torque at 3,000 RPM. Again, not too shabby for 87 octane. We compare that to the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder Bronco, which made 225 horsepower and 304 pound-feet. That's 34 horsepower and 60 pound-feet of torque in favor of the 2.7 V6. Again, 93 octane, 87 octane in this Bronco. Yes, there's still some horsepower and torque on the table, but hey, it is what it is. All right, folks, so that's gonna do it for this one. Wrap things up, we're gonna sign off. We love bringing you these dyno videos. If y'all appreciate it, like the video, subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos, and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss anything like this when we hit the upload button. For all things 79 to present Mustang, first and second generation Lightning, keep it right here with LMR.com.